Welcome back to Adventures in Ultrasonic Cleaning. This time I'm going to do the knobs on my stove. I was heating up dinner the other day and I realized that the stove is getting like really grungy around the knobs, and the knobs are grungy also. So I think it's really time. The stove gets cleaned around here when somebody feels like it, and that pretty much never happens. So anyway, this is a GE gas stove, but really the process is the same. I'm going to just come in with my fingers behind the knobs, and it's a very tight fit, but they will pop off. Now I've cleaned this one yesterday, but I didn't clean the knob. As a matter of fact, I actually tried to clean the knob a little bit using the same process, but I wasn't really happy with the results and didn't want to put the time and effort in. So I'm going to just set that over there, and I'm going to pull this one off, and you'll just see how grungy it really is. These knobs have never been taken off. Yeah, that's pretty disgusting. Definitely pretty disgusting. Doesn't matter which knob goes where, so that's not even a big deal. And now I have to pull these. There we go. And this one. There. Yeah, these need to be cleaned pretty bad. And some of these knobs are, even the inside is grody. I don't know how well this is really going to do because I don't know that it's actually deep enough. My ultrasonic cleaner right over here. But we're going to find out. So to ensure I get the best chooch, I'm going to top off the mysterious yellow liquid in here up to the fill line, or the full line I should say, out of this mysterious yellow bottle. I think I'm going to need some more. I do need a little bit more. I'll just top it off with water because this stuff is pretty concentrated. Well, that was just about perfect. Now, it may be a little bit over full now because when I put these in, it's going to displace some of the water, but oh well. Well, it kind of works. Maybe that way. Just sort of drop them in, dunk them in. Like that. And the rest can always just be touched up, so I'm not terribly concerned about that. And once again, I'm going to set this for a 10-minute cycle. And we'll see. I may end up running it for another cycle with them upside down, maybe to get some more grunge out of them. We'll have to see. But anyway, we'll let that run, and in the meantime, I'm going to work on cleaning up the actual stove. For doing this, there is absolutely no get-out-of-jail-free card here as far as anything is concerned. So it's just going to be down to a sponge that has like the scrubby thing on the other side of it. And I have some dish soap on there, and I'm just going to work at it. I know that this blue scrubby thing won't scratch the stove, but it's enough to get the dirt off, and that looks like it's coming out pretty good. So I'm going to work on that and get everything all cleaned up. Well, it may not be perfect, but it's 1,000 times better than it was, so that's what counts. Okay, we're done. Well, there's still a little bit of schmutz, but I think that will come off very easily. As far as the gunk on the back, you know, it needs to be rinsed in that. It looks like this did a very nice job and will make this a lot easier. So I'm just going to finish cleaning these up at the sink, rinse them off good, dry them off good, and we'll reinstall. The knobs came out absolutely brand new. Perfect inside and out, ready to be reinstalled. They're all dry and ready to go. We just have to match up that shape to that shape. Flat on top, which is just how it went, because obviously the burners are off. Otherwise, we'd be in for a bad time. So we just line that up, push all the way on. The handle's a little dirty for the oven, but that's going to be another time because I'm done playing for now. But at least now the stove doesn't have all that grunge behind the knobs. The knobs don't have any grunge on them, and they look a lot better. And as far as the mysterious yellow liquid, yuck. That looks like many people without flushing is what that looks like. Pretty disgusting. So I'm going to have to get rid of that and make up some more mysterious yellow liquid. And no, it's not the one you think it is that I was just mentioning out of people not flushing. So I'll make up some more of that to put into my mysterious yellow bottle. And that's going to do it. So thank you for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.